be continuing our discussion on the symbolism of leaven. All right. When we last left off, we just got finished talking about what is fermentation, and in that section, the definition of it, it talks about 3 specific types of fermentation: vinous, acetous, and putrefactive. Right now we're going to look at a example of acetous fermentation in the scriptures. Okay, how Yahweh sees this. Okay, now the word acetous, all right, the definition, this is a Webster's definition. It means sour, like or having the nature of vinegar. Acetous acid is the term used by chemists for distilled vinegar. This acid, in union with different bases, forms salts called acetites. Okay. We're going to look at Amos 4:4. All right. Come to Bethel and transgress at Gilgal. Multiply transgressions, and bring your sacrifices every morning, and your tithes after 3 years, and offer a sacrifice of thanksgiving with leaven, and proclaim and publish proclaim and publish the free offerings. For this liketh you, O ye children of Israel, said Yahweh. Says the Master Yahweh. Alright? Yahweh is talking through Amos to the children of Israel, and he's displeased, okay, with what's going on. The word leaven in this instance comes from Hebrews 25:57, and that word is chametz. All right, and it means to ferment. It means ferment. Extortion, figuratively, extortion. Okay. Now, this word is derived from another word, Hebrews 25:56, and it's pronounced the same way, chametz, and it means to be pungent. That is in taste, sour. Okay. In color, dazzling. All right. Now, why to use that in this sense? All right. To the outside world, the sacrifices and the tithes after 3 years, to the outside world, was amazing. It's wonderful. It's great. But they were doing it with the wrong heart. They were doing it in self-righteousness, and this was displeasing to Yahweh. That's why he said, come to Bethel and transgress. Okay, y'all transgressing, y'all breaking my law, and at Gilgal, y'all multiplying transgression, so y'all going from city to city, just screwing up. And then you bring sacrifices every morning, and your tithes after 3 years, and to the outside world, and offer a sacrifice of thanksgiving with leaven. Why? Because you're sitting up here, you're transgressing the law. You said, we break his law, we ask for forgiveness, and then we go break it again. This is so displeasing to our Father. He doesn't like that. You know, we should be wanting to serve him and submit to him wholeheartedly. Okay. We're going to look at another example of this. Exodus 34:25. Thou shalt not offer the blood of my sacrifice with leavened bread, Neither shall the sacrifice of the feast of the Passover be left until the morning. This is one of the rules for Passover. All right, when Yahweh was speaking to Moses about it. Okay. Let's look at on the same lines. 1 Corinthians 5:8. Okay. Therefore, let us keep the feast, not with old leaven, neither with the leaven of malice and wickedness, but with unleavened bread. But with the unleavened bread of sincerity and truth. All right. So we can keep the feast, but if we do it in the wrong spirit, if we do it with the wrong intentions, it leaves a sour taste in the Creator's mouth. All right. We're mixing His holy thing, and we're corrupting it with our ways. All right. We're going to look at another process of fermentation, the vinous process. All right. And this definition, Webster's definition, having the qualities of wine, pertaining to wine, as a vinous taste, a vinous flavor, vinous fermentation. All right. And this is a good thing, because one of the things that you can offer to the Creator was wine. The Messiah, when that was his first miracle, turned water into wine. Wine is a good thing. But we're going to look at a scripture. All right. We're going to look at this example. All right. Matthew 13:33. Another parable spake he unto them, the kingdom of heaven is like unto leaven, which a woman took and hid in 3 measures of meal, till the whole was leavened. Okay? Now, this is very good. We can see that the knowledge of the kingdom of heaven comes in 3 stages, then it's fulfilled. All right? Now, the 3 stages are Moshe, Yahusha, Eliah. Okay? Eliyahu. They are the 3 stages. Right? Because that's who we're waiting on to come back again. Elijah, Eliyahu. He has to come before the Messiah comes. He has to restore all things. Moshe gave the blueprint. The scriptures talk about the Messiah. He came to bring knowledge and magnification of the blueprint of the law. And Elijah is going to come to restore all things. We're going to pick up on part 3. This is Joel, Bet Yahweh, bidding you shalom.